The National Weather Service has issued a high wind warning for Greene, Virginia, Madison, Virginia, Page, Virginia, Rappahannock, Virginia, Rockingham, Virginia, Warren, Virginia, Albemarle, Virginia, Amherst, Virginia, Augusta, Virginia, Nelson, Virginia, and Rockbridge, Virginia, beginning at 6:22 p.m. February 17, 2022, and ending at 6:22 a.m. February 18, 2022. What? Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. Where? Central Virginia Blue Ridge and Northern Virginia Blue Ridge. When? From 4 p.m. this afternoon to 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution. If you must drive,